We all love a good bargain, especially when it comes to sunglasses. Stylish, cheap, and everywhere. But what if I told you, those cheap sunglasses might actually be worse than wearing no sunglasses at all? Today, we're uncovering the hidden hazards of unprotected lenses and why this small mistake could cost you your vision. To understand the danger, we need to look at how your eyes naturally respond to light. In bright conditions, your pupils constrict, getting smaller, to limit how much light enters your eye. But when you put on dark sunglasses, your brain thinks it's darker, so your pupils open wide. Here's the problem. If those lenses don't block UV radiation, your wide-open pupils become a gateway, letting harmful UVA and UVB rays pour directly into your eyes. Ironically, without sunglasses, your eyes at least have a natural defense, but with bad lenses, you're actually increasing your risk. This isn't just about temporary discomfort. The long-term consequences of this increased UV exposure can be devastating. Over time, this intense UV radiation can accelerate the development of cataracts, a clouding of the eye's natural lens that leads to blurry vision. It also significantly increases the risk of macular degeneration, which can destroy your sharp central vision over many years. So, how do you protect yourself? Look for one specific label, UV 400. This means the lenses block 99 to 100% of UVA and UVB rays. Don't assume dark lenses are protective. Darkness is just a tint. UV protection is a clear chemical coating. They are not the same thing. And remember, polarized lenses are great for reducing glare, but they don't necessarily block UV rays. You need both for total protection. If you're unsure about your current pair, many opticians have UV meters that can test your lenses in seconds. It's worth the peace of mind. When buying, stick to reputable brands or retailers that guarantee their UV standards. Saving $10 today isn't worth losing your sight tomorrow. Your eyes are incredibly resilient, but they are also vulnerable. Understanding these hidden hazards is the first step toward better health. By choosing the right protection, you can enjoy the sun safely, knowing you're preserving your vision for years to come. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who loves their bargain shades. It might just save their eyes. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Remember, it's not about how dark the lenses are, but how much protection they actually provide. Check those labels every time. To recap, avoid cheap, untested lenses, look for the UV 400 label, and prioritize your long-term health over short-term style. Protect your eyes, enjoy the light, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there. This isn't just about temporary discomfort. Long-term exposure to UV through poor lenses can lead to serious eye conditions. Cataracts, where your eye's lens becomes cloudy and vision fades. Macular degeneration, destroying your central vision over time. And photokeratitis, essentially a sunburn on your eye that can cause intense pain and temporary blindness. It can even trigger abnormal tissue growth, known as surfer's eye, and increase the risk of rare but serious eye cancers like ocular melanoma. And it's not just invisible damage. Cheap sunglasses often have poor optical quality. Warped lenses and uneven tinting force your eyes to constantly adjust, leading to eye strain, headaches, and even dizziness. Most cheap lenses also lack polarization, so they do nothing to reduce dangerous glare from roads or water. And unlike high-quality lenses, they can easily shatter on impact, turning your sunglasses into a safety hazard instead of protection. So, does cheap automatically mean unsafe? Not necessarily. Many affordable sunglasses from trusted stores actually offer full UV protection. Meanwhile, expensive-looking knockoffs can be completely useless and dangerous. So price isn't the issue, protection is. Here's the one rule you need to remember. Always choose UV 400 or 100% UV protection. No matter the brand, no matter the price. Do your eyes a favor, pause this video and check your sunglasses right now. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and I'll see you in the next one.